Hello, welcome to Waypoint Survival. Today I want to show you how to make a super easy do-it-yourself brass match safe. Stay tuned. One of the things you're going to need for this project is a box of compact UCO Strike Anywhere matches. Now UCO makes just about the best Strike Anywhere matches of any that you can buy today. They work pretty well, and so I would recommend getting this kind, and you get the compact size because it will fit better in the match safe. Striking the UCO matches are quite easy. You just find a rough surface like a stone or anything like that, and with one sharp strike it will light. Of course out here it is quite windy, blew it right out, but these are great matches and they work quite well. The first type of match safe that I'm going to show you, this is made out of a 22 shell and a 223 shell, and what's nice about it is it fits precisely inside of the neck. So the 22 fits inside the neck of the 223, makes a nice little airtight seal, pushes in a ways, and this will hold 4 matches. And I had to clip them because of the length. And you also want to put them in here, one with the head up, one with the head down. Let them go on in there, then head up and head down, just like this. Shake it till it's at the bottom, and you can put this back in, and that is your first match safe. The second match safe is a little bit smaller, a little bit more compact, and it consists of a straight wall 30 caliber brass casing and a 9mm brass casing, and you may have to test fit this to make sure it goes together and fits snugly, which this does. It won't come apart. You have to press and fit them together and then it will come apart. And this one, as you can see, holds 4 matches. Now on these first two, even though these are Strike Anywhere matches, what I have done is I've taken and I've epoxied on the ends here of these shell casings. I've epoxied a little bit of the striker material. So just in case you would need another place to strike, you couldn't find a rock, or maybe it was a little damp outside and you were carrying this in your kit, that'll give you something to strike off of for these two. The next is the largest one that I want to show you for a match safe. And this one is a 44 caliber on top of a 30-06 shell. And pull this apart, have to wiggle it a little bit, comes out quite easily, and this one will hold quite a few. As you can see, you don't have to cut these down because of the length of the shell. We're able to fit 8 inside of this particular match safe, and again we do it the same way. We put some with the head up, some with the head down, approximately half and half, and once you get them in there, shake it down to the bottom. Then it's very easy. Put that on there, press fit. It's very tight, relatively water resistant, and you could put a little black electrical tape around there and then it would be pretty well sealed up if you were carrying this long term in your pocket or your kit. The last one that I want to show you is my favorite, and this is a 45 ACP on top of a 308 shell. This is about the perfect size, and I'll show you why. Not only does it fit quite snugly, but you can also put one of the strikers inside with just enough sticking out that it's easy to get a hold of and pull out. So I now have a striker, and this one will hold, as we shake it out, a total of 7. So we have 7 Strike Anywhere matches and the striker, all in a very convenient, easy to carry brass case. Now when you put these in, you will want to put all of the match heads pointing down because of the neck here. And then you may not be able to get 7, you might only be able to fit 6. It depends on the size of the match heads. And so again, put this together, pinch it down, you have a very tight fit. So here they are, all laid out together. You can see from smallest to largest. And again, I prefer this size here. It seems to work the best of all of them. but depending on what you have available, you can put together your own match safe. This is James Bender for Waypoint Survival. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also make sure and check out the links in the description box below. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. We'd really appreciate it. And when you do subscribe, make sure and press that bell button so that you can stay notified of all of our upcoming videos, and we'll talk to you next time.